Hey, Sam here with EKNIVES. I want to talk to you a little bit about OTFs and OTF maintenance. We all love these, but every now and then they get a little bit finicky, need a little bit of maintenance. They won't fire quite correctly. So I'm going to show you a process on this that seems to work almost every time. Grab a hold of the blade, pull it back out to engage it. If the knife will fire, then more than likely it's just an oil issue at that point. So what I like to do is take a little bit of compressed air, canned air. If you use a compressor, turn it down low. Don't blow it in there too hard. Blow it out first. Get any debris in there that might be stuck in there, get it out. Take WD-40 or rim oil. I prefer WD-40 because it has a little bit of a solvent in it. Give it one quick shot, not a ton of oil. Wrap it up in a towel to catch any oil that you might be spraying out on this next part. Take that compressed air and move all of that oil around in there really good so it gets down in there. And then I think you'll find that it will fire pretty cleanly after that. Fire it a few times, wipe off the excess oil, clean up any oil that's run out of any spaces. Fire it a few more times, wipe off again, then take a drop of oil and put it on top of the button. Take a drop and put it on the bottom of the button. Fire it several more times, clean it up, and you should be good to go. Hope this helps you guys out and gets these things running good for you. Thanks.